Hi everybody, my name is Kun. I'm 6 years old. Today I read 5 animals. How many animals do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 animals. What do you see here? I see a dog. What the dog say? Dog say woof woof woof. What do you see? I see a pig. What the pig say? Pig say I like pig. I am pig. I'm Peppa Pig. What do you see? I see a chicken. What the chicken say? Chicken. The chicken say ah ah ah. What do you see? I see the goat. What the cow say? The goat say? The cow say bơ bơ. What do
you see?
you see? I see the cow. What do the cow say? The cow say is mbo mbo. What do you see? Here I see the duck. What the duck say? Duck say quack quack quack. What do you see here? I see a sheep. What do sheep?
What the?
What the sheep say? Sheep say baa baa. What do you see? I see the farm animals. Bye bye everybody.